Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Maurice Thomas Jr., professional investor. Today, I want to explain the difference between investing in real estate and mortgage note investing. Investing in real estate and mortgage note investing are two popular ways to invest in the real estate market. While both options can be profitable, there are some differences between the two. So in this video, I will explain the differences between the real estate investing and mortgage note investing. So real estate investing involves buying and holding a physical property. We all know that, but it's with the goal of generating income through renting or selling the property. This type of investing requires a significant amount of capital upfront, as well as ongoing expenses such as maintenance, property management, and property taxes. On the other hand, mortgage note investing, let's just say it involves purchasing a mortgage note, which is essentially a loan that is secured by a property. The investor becomes the lender and earns the interest on the loan until it's paid off or sold. This type of investing typically requires less capital up front and has fewer ongoing expenses compared to your real estate investing strategy. While real estate investing provides the opportunity for potential higher returns through the rental income and property appreciation, it also comes with more risk and requires more hands-on management. Mortgage note investing, on the other hand, it provides a more passive investment option with less risk and less management required, but potentially, lower returns. It is important to note that both real estate investing and mortgage note investing requires a significant amount of due diligence and careful consideration before making an investment decision. With real estate investing, investors need to conduct thorough research on a property, the location, and potential tenants, while mortgage note investing requires you just need to assess the borrower's credit worthiness and the value of the property, which is secured by the loan. So in conclusion, both real estate investing and mortgage note investing can be profitable investment options. Real estate investment requires more capital and hands-on management, while mortgage note investing provides a more passive option with less risk and less measurement required. The choice ultimately comes down to the investor's goals, risk tolerance, and available resources. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful in understanding the difference between real estate investing and mortgage note investing. And thanks again for visiting the channel.